Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I'm back here with another video of my web development series. In this lecture, we will see how to use classes for HTML. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started today's video. I have created a new HTML file called classes and I have opened my live server here. So let me write the basic structure. So this is the basic structure inside here. So let suppose we have a h1 tag and we have this is our classes website. Okay, so this is our classes website. You can skip this. Okay, this is our classes website. So we know how say suppose we want to modify our h1 tag, we want to apply some style. So we know from our previous lecture that we can use style inside here and we can define the color of our text, maybe wait and save this. We can see the color has changed. We can also modify the size inside here of our text. So font size maybe 26 and save this maybe 39 pixel. Okay, so we can change this from here, but in this lecture we will see how we can do all the styling using class. So how can we do that? So the class is important because when we will apply css to our website, we will be using classes and ids. I will teach you about id in my next lecture. This lecture is about classes. So for applying css style to our html project, we need to know how to use classes. Classes are very important, that's why. So how do we define a class? Inside of our h1 tag we will define a class and we will say maybe text. So you can give any name to your class as long as you know that this particular name is for your particular tag. You need to give a class name. Okay, and when we are writing a website, we will give classes to each and every code. We will write each and every tag because those will be easy to indicate a certain tag to our from our code. So we have given a class called text. Now how do we modify this? We will be modifying this after our inside our head tag. We will have our style here. Okay, inside this style we will write our styling codes for our HTML, for our HTML code. For if we save this now, we can see that this is our basic code. This is a simple h2 tag. Now how about we want to change the color again? So how do we do that? To define a class, we need to write dot, then the class name, then the class name. So this is how, dot class name, then we'll write this. So this is how we can define a class. We can target a class. So by dot and then next. Maybe something wrong here. Element of, okay, okay, I don't know. Okay, so say we want to change the color. We can write color here and we can define it red. We can see that the color of our text is changed. Now how about we want to give a font size. Okay, so font size will be about 12 pixel. Okay, save this is our 12 pixel. How about I make this big 44 pixel. This is a 44 pixel. How about I want to center this text. We can write here position. So we can write here position. No, this is a text, so we can write text align. So text hyphen align. So text align will be center. Control S. Look, it is in the center. So this is how we can use a certain class name, and by targeting that class name we can change its attributes. So this is called styling. And when we will learn CSS, we will see how these all things work, because for CSS we will be using classes and IDs a lot. So suppose we can give a certain tag multiple of class names. So suppose this is a class name, we have a class name called text, and we have another class name called header. Okay, set this. How about now I don't want to center this by text, I want to center this using header. So dot header. Okay, so this is dot header. Then I can write text align center and set this. uh, it's working. We can see the text is centered. So we can use multiple names for our same tag, but I will be recommend to use only one name because that is so convenient. But sometime we will be needing multiple of a class name for a single tag. So this was for today's video. I hope you understand how to use tags in HTML and how to apply certain for formats or design to our HTML using classes. Dot class name, then we'll give the commands. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.